Welcome back to this YouTube channel Milestech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up RMP Tunnel VPN in all countries and on all networks for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like the tutorial. In case of any problem, the comment section is open. You can guide me, and then you can also ask some few questions. I'll be able to answer. So start by opening Google Play Store, and then in your Google Play Store, you're going to open your search bar, and then at your search bar, search RMP Tunnel VPN. Give it some few seconds to load, and make sure that you have some running data bundle to search and download, install, and then after open this VPN. Remember that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Check OK and then join the Telegram channel. And then you're going to start by coming where I'm pointing, top left corner, and those three menu dashes, the horizontal dashes. Click on them, and then after, choose the first option, which is automatically to update the servers. Make sure you update the servers, because once you don't update the servers, it will fail to connect. Then next, you're going to come where you see the server, auto-selected server, and then you're going to choose a server that is near to your country's location. Or most of the times, I recommend my viewers to choose auto-selected server, but this time around, let us use a global server, which is 3. And then after, you're going to come and then choose the network. And in the networks, you're going to be choosing this network, all country UDP. But make sure that when you're choosing this network, your country supports UDP, or you can peruse through those networks and choose a network from your country. As you see, there are all those networks. You can choose a network that is coming from your country. And then, but now I'm going to select this one that will be working in all countries that support UDP. Then after, press the start. As you see, to connect automatically to connect. Now, what if it fails to connect? What are you going to do? We're going to clear the app data, clear the app, and clear the app kick. You can also try to reconnect again, restart the device, turn airplane mode on, and then off. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Milestech. I sign out.